Hello everyone, my name is Rutuja Sudarshan Kale. Today's date is 4th September 2024. Today's topic is Spring in Java. A Spring MSc in Java framework which is used to build web application. It follows the model view controller design pattern. It implementation all the basic feature of core Spring framework like the inversion of spring and dependency injection uh, model. The model of spring contains the data of the application. The data can be the data can be single object is an collection of object. A controller contains the business logical at the application here. Here the at the rate controller automation is used to mark the class as the controller view. A view represents the provided information in the particular format. Generally, JSP plus JSTL is used to create a view page. Although Spring also support other view technologies such as the Apache Velocity, Thambleaf or Free Marker. Front controller. In Spring MVC, the servlet class work as the front controller. It is responsible to manage the flow of the Spring MVC application and display in the figure. All the coming requests in interpreted by the dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet to the request in the request that work the front controller. Dispatcher servlet gets the entry of handler mapping the text XML file and invoke the specified view component. The next topic is advantages of Spring MVC framework. Separate role. The Spring MVC separates each role where the model object control and command object view server resolver dispatch servlet validator etc. It can be fulfilled by the specified object. Lightweight. It is used it use lightweighted servlet container to the develop and deploy your application powerful configuration. It provides the robust configuration for both framework and application classes. It includes the easily reference across the context such as from web controller to web application. Rapid development. Spring MVC facilities reusable business code instead of creating new object. It allow to use the existing business object. Easy to test. In Spring generally easy to create Java bean classes that enable you to inject text data using the setter method. Flexible method. Flexible method mapping. It provides the specific automation that easily reflect the page. This simple example of Spring Web MVC framework. The step as follow. Load the Spring file and add dependence in the case of Maven. Create the control class. Provide the entry of the control in web.xml file. Define the bean in the separate XML file. Display the message in the JSP page. Start the server and deploy the project. Create the control class. To create the control class, we are using the automation at the controller and at the rate request mapping.